Ever wondered how AI robots work? How do they interact with their environment, learn from it, and make decisions? AI robots are transforming industries worldwide, from manufacturing to healthcare. This video will demystify how these incredible machines function. Stay tuned to find out how they do it. It all starts with sensors. AI robots rely heavily on them to interact with the world. They use a variety of sensors like cameras, microphones, lidars, and tactile ones. These sensors are the robot's tools for detecting and measuring their environment. They can sense light, sound, distance, even touch, giving the robot a comprehensive understanding of its surroundings. It's like they're the AI robot's eyes, ears, and skin, gathering crucial data from the world around them. These sensors serve as the AI robot's eyes and ears, collecting crucial data for further processing. Once the data is collected, it's time for the brain of the robot to take over. This brain, often a powerful computer or neural network, processes the collected data using machine learning algorithms. These algorithms, in essence, enable the robot to learn from its experiences, much like we humans do. They make decisions, solve problems, and adapt to new situations. It's like a continuous cycle of learning and adapting. Through machine learning and powerful processing, AI robots learn, adapt, and make decisions. After the processing comes the action. The processed data is what guides the robot's movements and responses. With this information, AI robots can perform a wide array of tasks. They can assemble intricate parts with pinpoint precision, navigate complex environments, or respond to voice commands. But their capabilities don't stop there. AI robots can even interpret emotions and react to facial expressions. All these actions are based on the data they've processed. From assembly to navigation, AI robots use processed data to take action. So that's the fascinating world of AI robots. From sensors collecting data, to machine learning crunching numbers, and robots responding in real time, their potential to revolutionize industries and improve lives is immense. We hope you enjoyed this quick tour of how AI robots work. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech explainers and innovation insights.